Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube subscribe link to help you get more subscribers. For example, when someone clicks your channel or video link, they'll be prompted to subscribe before watching your videos. Let's start the video. First, open your YouTube app or youtube.com and once you open YouTube, go to right side corner, click your profile icon and tap on View your channel options. Click on your YouTube channel link or any video links. Copy that link. I'm going to copy my channel link. Once you copy the link, go to your Chrome browser or Notepad, just paste that link. After paste the link, at the link inside just type $sub_confirmation equals 1. After that, just copy the link and share it with your friends or on your social media pages. When someone clicks on your video to watch it, they will be asked to subscribe. It's an easy way to gain more subscribers. I will click that link, just watch it. See? It asks for the subscribe option. That's it, guys. It's that simple. If you found this helpful, just subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.